Prompting for video and voice AI opens up a whole new dimension of creativity, combining sound, visuals, and storytelling into seamless AI-generated content. Whether you're creating explainer videos, tutorials, ads, or cinematic scenes, mastering prompts for video and voice generation helps you translate your ideas into dynamic multimedia experiences. Let's start with video prompting. Video AI tools like Runway, Pika, and Synthesia allow you to generate or edit videos simply by describing what you want. A good video prompt paints a vivid picture of the scene, action, and emotion. For example, instead of saying, "Create a video of a car driving," say, "Generate a cinematic shot of a red sports car racing down a mountain road at sunrise with dramatic lighting and smooth camera motion." The more descriptive your language, colors, lighting, style, and perspective, the more visually compelling the result. You can also control camera movement and mood through prompting. Try phrases like a slow zoom in, an aerial drone shot, or a handheld camera following the character. For mood, use words such as uplifting, suspenseful, or melancholic. These clues guide the AI's storytelling rhythm. Another key element is scene structure. You can create videos step by step by breaking them into scenes. For instance, Scene 1, a student studying at night. Scene 2, the sunrise over the city. Scene 3, the student presenting confidently at school. This approach helps AI generate videos with continuity and purpose, similar to a storyboard. Video prompts also allow you to specify style, such as realistic footage, watercolor animation, 3D render, or hand-drawn sketch. You can combine creative descriptors like in Pixar-style animation or in noir film aesthetic to evoke a specific tone. Experimenting with these combinations gives your videos a distinct look. Now let's move to voice AI prompting. Voice generation tools like 11 Labs, Descript, and Play can produce lifelike narrations in any tone or accent. The key to effective voice prompting is clarity about emotion and delivery. For example, read this script in a warm, confident voice with natural pacing, or deliver in an energetic, motivational style suitable for an advertisement. Specificity ensures the AI's voice matches your intent. You can also prompt for character voices to bring stories to life. Try, use a gentle, grandmotherly tone for this narration, or sound like an adventurous explorer narrating a travel story. The more context you provide, who is speaking and why, the more authentic the voice feels. Another useful technique is emphasis prompting. You can tell the AI which parts of a sentence to stress for impact. For instance, emphasize the words limitless creativity and slow down at the end for dramatic effect. This gives your voiceovers human-like nuance and emotional texture. For multi-speaker projects, describe each speaker's personality and transitions. For example, calm and professional. Guest, lively and enthusiastic. Alternate between them naturally. Clear labeling helps the AI synchronize tone and pacing between voices. When combining video and voice AI, alignment is key. Always make sure your visual and vocal prompts support each other. For instance, a fast-paced montage works best with an upbeat narration, while a slow visual sequence pairs well with a calm, reflective tone. The beauty of prompting for video and voice AI lies in experimentation. Each tweak, a new adjective, emotion, or scene description, can dramatically change the output. Start simple, review the results, then refine your prompt until it matches your vision. In short, effective prompting for video and voice AI is about painting with words. You describe not just what you want to see or hear, but how you want people to feel. The clearer your vision, the closer AI can bring it to life, turning your ideas into stories that move, speak, and inspire.